Good, good. Okay, good girl. She listens. She knows.
Leon!
This, honey?
Leon, don't play with my laptop.
Michael, it's okay. You play with his all the time, right?
No.
Yeah, you do.
Ow!
If you're not playing with it, he can play for now. Pick up your stuff that you spilled all over. I had that little container, babe. I was holding it for her, and she knocked some of it out on the ground because she got wild. And I told her, I'm not going to give you no more unless you pick this up. You know what she did? She started picking it up off the floor and handing it to me. The stuff she spilled, she handed it to me. I was like, how did you know you did it? She listened so good. And she knew. I told her. And she picked it up and handed it to me.
Yeah, good.
And she did like 4 or 5 pieces, babe. I think it was like maybe 3 or 4 pieces of it. Until it was almost all gone. There was like 1 piece left she missed.
Nice.
You little smarty pants, you know what I'm talking about. You understand everything, don't you? Are you being a dog? Are you going to be a dog? Huh? Yeah, she understands. I swear she understands everything, right, almost. How'd you get cheese in your hair already, honey? Huh? You get cheese in your hair. The hair on the side, her side's getting long too, babe. But you notice when she was born, her hair was dark, thick, like real coarse, and then all of a sudden fall out, grow back, brown instead of black. It's so weird. Ah, yeah, it's so weird. You did good, honey. Yeah. You like a doggy? You like a doggy? You like a dog? She likes her cheese. She loves her cheese in her mouth. I tried to give her puffs. Threw them on the ground. What else did I give her? Tried giving her one of those biscuits. Threw that on the ground. So I guess she don't have a taste for it. Then I was like, oh, you know, I bought cereal for you. So I pulled the cereal out and gave her. So she was eating. At first she ate the purple ones, and then she was throwing the yellow ones on the ground. So I started giving her the purple ones, and I gave her the bowl, and she like knocked some out of it. Well, that's when I told her, I'm not giving you no more till you pick it up. And she picked them up. Ah. Very, tell her one time she does it, and she listens good.
Chew it good, Sophia.
Yeah, do it good.
Yeah.
I used to tell Matthew, do it good, he got. And he'd show his teeth.
Chew it good.
She knows what you're saying, you see? She's smart. You know, good girl.
Chew it good, Sophia.
Not just coincidence, she knows. Yeah, she knows. You know.
You got big teeth, Sophia, in front.
You show your teeth? Is that what you do? You want me your teeth? With the, I see your teeth, honey. Your teeth now, huh? Yeah.
Yeah. Cheese.
And that's good for her, baby. Got calcium and vitamin D. protein for her.
Yummy.
And good amount of fat in it too to help her with energy. Yeah, you like cheese. I just wish I could get Dion to eat cheese. If Dion would eat some cheese. She's got a little bow on her shirt now. Where'd she get that shirt, babe?
Diva.
Gift?
Once upon a child.
Once upon a child?
Yes. Cheese. Delicious. Cheese. That's so long. So long.
How you doing on that, Michael? You getting them all up? You could sweep them up. Yeah. You show me your teeth.
Where's your teeth?
Show your teeth? Yeah. You show daddy teeth.
I got sweep with the broom now. I got sweep with the broom.
Do whatever you gotta do to get them picked up, Michael. Get them cleaned up. I don't want ants coming in here. He wants vacuum? As long as he's not playing with it, he can use it. He starts farting around with it, he gets it. If he starts farting with it, I'm going to take it away. Hey, you eat your cheese. Yeah, sure. Delicious. That's not a toy to play with. Maybe you're going to have to get avocado. This is like half the time. And do not buy no junk food. Don't have money to spend on junk food. I can see the cars driving over across the field, across the road. I know it's not hazy then. You know the smoke, maybe it worked a lot of that smoke out. Maybe it worked a lot of smoke out of it. We'll go out and investigate.
Michael, there's more on the carpet. Michael, there's more on the carpet.
See that? Where's the miss? That's the other. I made that. Yeah.